Hello, I am Sam from team 5250 loading ... Today I'm going to show you how to design, build, and engineer FTC robots using CAD Creo. Now before we get started, quick disclaimer, I don't know everything there is to know about CAD Creo, actually not even close. So this video is mostly just meant to be a beginner's guide to kind of get you started with how to use CAD. So the first thing you're obviously going to need to do is install the software. To do that, click on the link I've got below this video, and it'll take you to PTC's website. They have the software available to download for free for students. So you just fill out your information on the right and then click download. The download takes quite a while. It's like 45 minutes. It's actually a disk image file. So you probably don't want to just sit around and wait for it to download. So I don't know, go play some Minecraft or something. Once it's done downloading, you just install it. Basically, it's just click next, 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 and finish. Nothing really special. Once you have it installed, click on the second link I've got below this video. That'll take you to this page, which is PTC's Tetrix Kit of Parts catalog. And these are just all models and stuff that they've made for FTC participants to use to model their robots. And the one we're going to use is a Tetrix Kit of Parts, and this just includes basically all the parts that you would get in a Tetrix box of parts. So to download it, you just click on the link and do Save File. This download's not quite as bad as that last one, but yeah, you can do whatever you want. Go play some more Minecraft. Once it's done downloading, go to your Downloads folder and copy the zip to whatever folder you want to save your CAD models to. Then extract it. After it's done extracting, you can just delete it. So now that we got everything downloaded and installed, I guess we can get started on how to use PTC Creo. First thing we should probably go over is how to move, which is a good thing to know. The first thing you do whenever you open a model or anything is you need to select your working directory, which is going to be the place where you saved your library of Tetrix parts to. And now I'm just going to open, I don't know, just first thing I click on, I don't know what it's going to be. A screw. That's awesome. Okay. One of the main controls you'll probably notice first is zoom. And to zoom in and out, you just move the scroll mouse wheel back and forth like this. And that'll make it zoom in and out. One of the neat features about Creo though is it zooms in or out around where your mouse is. So if I put my mouse up in the left top corner like this and I zoom in, the screw is going to move out to the right. And same thing, if I zoom out toward the screw will move towards the mouse. And that's really handy for getting objects centered in your screen and basic navigation, I guess. I think that's one of the most handy navigation tools in Creo. One of the next things is swiveling. So like if I want to see a different side of this screw, because the opposite side is so different from this side, how I do that is I push down on the mouse wheel, the scroll button of the mouse, and I just move the mouse, and that will pivot the screw at the center axis point. And the center axis point of this is well, where you see the two red lines and the dot at right now. So it's going to pivot and swivel all around that so I can see all the different sides of the screw. Another tool for viewing and navigation is the pan function. And this basically does what you would expect. It just pans your viewpoint to the left or right or up or down. And to do this, you click down the shift key and you hold the middle mouse button. And this will allow you to drag the screw. Well, you're actually not dragging your screw, you're actually dragging the viewpoint. And you can move it to wherever you really want. And the last tool which you can use is, say you get really off, like I get way over here and then for some reason I decide to get completely off my screen. Oh no, what am I going to do now? It's gone forever. Well, there's this handy little tool you can use up here, refit to screen. So if you get really lost, you can just click refit to screen and it'll pop it up back on your screen, nice and big, centered, and all that good stuff. So that's the basic navigation of CAD Creo. And also the end of this first video. In the next two videos I will be talking about how to build custom parts and then how to build a robot. If you have any questions, feel free to ask and I'll try to give you some sort of answer. Thanks for watching and have a nice day.